Question number 161. Match the following columns 1 and 2 and choose the correct option. In column 1, the very first option given is cellulose. And as cellulose is a homopolymer of glucose, so A in column 1 matches with third option in column 2. The next option in column 1 is collagen, and collagen is the most abundant protein in animal world, so B in column 1 goes with the first option in column 2. The third option is glycogen, and glycogen is the branched polymer of glucose. So C in column 1 goes with the second option in column 2. The last option in column 1 is pectinase, which is required for extraction of juices from fruits. So D in column 1 goes with the fourth option in column 2. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4, A with 3, B with 1, C with 2 and D with 4. So the correct answer is option number 4. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 162. Insulin is biochemically most similar to. Insulin is proteinaceous in nature. And among the given options like chitin, trypsin, cellulose and lecithin, it is more similar to trypsin, which is also a proteinaceous enzyme. The first option, chitin, is incorrect. It is a homopolymer of N-acetylglucosamine. Cellulose is also incorrect, and lecithin, which is a phospholipid, is also an incorrect option. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 163. Choose the incorrect feature of bDNA. And the very first statement given is the rise per base pair is 34 angstrom. And this is the correct answer to our question because this is an incorrect statement. The base pairs in DNA are stacked 3.4 angstrom apart. Thus, 10 base pairs occupy a distance of about 34 angstrom. Next option is the pitch of the helix is 3.4 nanometer. This is a correct feature, so this cannot be a correct answer. The next statement says there are 2 hydrogen bonds between adenine and thymine is a correct statement, so cannot be a correct answer. There are 3 hydrogen bonds between guanine and cytosine and 2 hydrogen bonds between adenine and thymine. The last statement says 1 full turn of the helical strand would involve 10 base pairs is also a correct statement, so cannot be a correct answer. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 164. If cardiac sphincter fails to relax completely, then food will get accumulated in. And the options are esophagus, stomach, duodenum, transverse colon. And the correct answer to this question is option number 1, esophagus. Because cardiac sphincter, also known as gastroesophageal sphincter, controls the passage of food into the stomach. It prevents regurgitation of food into the esophagus from stomach. Stomach is an incorrect option because pyloric sphincter guards the opening of stomach into duodenum. So option number 3 is also incorrect, and the last option, transverse colon, is also an incorrect option. And the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 165. Nidhi has consumed a meal comprising 5 gram of butter, 100 gram of rice, 50 gram of pulses and 100 gram of spinach with 250 ml of water. The approximate number of calories generated in her body in kilocalorie is, and the options are 1120, 645, 845, 1280. Now to solve this question, we must know that butter is a form of fat, whereas rice provides or act as a source of carbohydrates, pulses are source of protein, spinach or any salad, and water, they have no calorific content. The physiological values of carbohydrate is 4 kilocalorie per gram. For proteins, it is 4 kilocalorie per gram, and for fats, it is 9 kilocalorie per gram. So accordingly, butter will provide 45 kilocalorie, rice, which is a source for carbohydrate, will provide 400 kilocalorie, whereas pulses, which are a form of protein, will provide 200 kilocalorie. That totals to 645 kilocalorie. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's move on to the next question.